Hello and welcome to this Innopharma module on medical devices. The medical device industry is a significant global industry which is ever growing and expanding. Medical devices can range from a simple band-aid to an MRI scanner. No matter the type of medical device, it will need to be designed and manufactured subject to regulation regardless of the simplicity or complexity of the device.
This medical devices course contains 3 hours of high-quality online content that can be reviewed at the learner's own pace. There are knowledge checks throughout the course and an assessment upon completion. The content includes medical device industry facts and regulations, manufacturing best practices, and all supported by interviews with industry experts and case studies. Topics covered include the range of medical device products, design control, document control and good documentation practices or GDP, regulations and getting product to market, production control and lean manufacturing.
Lean has its origins in Japan. The likes of Toyota, for example, would really be in the founders, developers of Lean in its current concept. So industries have moved from large manufacturing to much smaller cases of manufacturing, more continuous flow.
Clean rooms, equipment calibration, line clearance, identification and traceability, sterilization, storage and distribution, auditing, CAPA and risk management, and medical device technologies. With growth expected to outpace the prescription drug market, this course is perfect for anyone who wants to learn about the major changes currently sweeping the many sectors and different manufacturers within the medical device industry. The course doesn't assume you have any prior knowledge, and all topics are broken down piece by piece to make them accessible and enjoyable to learn. To find out more, contact Innopharma by phone at +353 1 485 3346. You can also email us at eLearning@innopharmalabs.com, and you'll find plenty of information on our website at innopharmalabs.com.